In this video, we're going to go over naming conventions for variables in Python. So first, let's go over good variable names. Good variable names are short and describe what the variable will be holding. So in this, we're just using one-word groceries, all lowercase letters, to hold 3 strings in this list. We'll cover lists more in detail later. But right now, lists are just, think of them as containers that can hold different kinds of data, but here we're holding all string variables in here. So milk, bread, and eggs. And then the second variable needs to have 2 words. And the convention here is we all use lowercase and you separate each word with an underscore. That's the standard convention. So neighbors' kids are Amir, Abraham, and Bernard. Cars I own, it's a comment. And then we can see this third good variable name, my underscore cars. It's BMW 330xi and the Chevy Tahoe. Now that we see how to write good variable names, short, descriptive, to the point, let's see some bad variable names. Variable names that have mixed case, so lowercase and uppercase mixed randomly, that's bad. Starting with the lowercase and then finishing with all uppercase, that's bad. Packing words together without an underscore, that's bad. Using all caps for your names, that's really bad. Some people use that sometimes for constants, but that may be the only exception to this rule for that kind of variable name. Like if you have a constant value that never changes, okay, you can let that be all caps. When you have multiple words, like just packing them together like this makes it hard to read. That's why putting an underscore there is much more readable, helps the readability of your code. So now let's go over a couple more rules for naming and like actually coming up with your variable names. These are all legal. Caleb underscore Bowyer, Caleb with Bowyer right after it, no space. Caleb Bowyer with numbers following it. All of them holding the same string, so that works. Python didn't complain about it. Now here's some illegal variable names. And Python will complain about these. Syntax error. Syntax error. And yet another syntax error. So here, the issue is you can't have empty space in between words. Python does not know how to handle that. Also, you cannot start a variable name with numbers. However, numbers can follow letters. And you cannot use special operators. You have to use A through Z lowercase or A through Z uppercase and numbers, but you cannot start your variable name with a number, and you cannot use these special symbols in your variable names. These are reserved for other purposes in Python. Okay, that's all for this video. Hope you understand how to name your variables and the standard convention for doing that, using underscores to separate different words. And I would never personally put more than 4 max words together. 3, you should stick to 3 or less, like neighbors underscore my underscore my, you know, 3 words max. All right, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Have a blessed day.